In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, this can be done on your PC on the Coinbase website or on the mobile app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to head over to Coinbase and just log into your account. From there, you should be able to see this buy and sell button in the top right corner, and when you click on it, and when we open it up, it actually gives us two different options on how we can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So the first way is buying with your local currency, and since I'm from the UK, it says down here that I can pay with my GBP wallet. So in order to do it that way, you will have to have some GBP in your account, and you can do that by choosing to deposit, and then choosing whatever deposit method's easiest for you. From there, once you've got money in your local currency's wallet, you can go ahead and choose how much Bitcoin you want to purchase. And once you've done that, you can choose to buy. But as you can see, since I don't have enough GBP in my wallet, I'll have to top it up first. Now, the second way to buy Bitcoin is to convert another coin. So, for example, if you already had Ethereum in your wallet, you can choose to swap Ethereum for Bitcoin. So I don't actually have any Ethereum in my wallet, but if you did, you could go ahead and choose the amount at which you're trying to send. And from there, you can preview the conversion. And then when you're happy, you can go ahead and convert it. And that would mean you would have swapped Ethereum in this case for Bitcoin. But this can be done with whatever coin you like. So those are the two ways on how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.